Hello everyone, I'm Alyansa, your health informer. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this channel guys, we're talking more about health tips and health benefits. At kung bago pa kayo dito sa channel ko, huwag niyong kalimutan na mag-subscribe at pindutin ang notification bell para updated kayo palagi kung mayroon akong bagong upload na video. Ang topic natin is about rabies. Gusto kong ma-aware lahat ng mga tao tungkol sa rabies at para malaman nyo kung ano ang dapat gawin at kung ano ang gagawin kasi marami nang nadisgrasya dito sa rabies na ito. What is rabies? It is a viral disease most often transmitted by being bitten or scratched by wild animals infected with rabies. Virus can be found in other wild animals such as bats, raccoons, and foxes. There is two types of rabies: the furious rabies and paralytic rabies. Caused by transmission of the rabies virus from a rabid animal, it affects the central nervous system, causing brain disease and death. People usually become infected with rabies after being deeply bitten or scratched by an animal, especially mga wild animals, the animal infected rabies. The virus is transmitted if the saliva or infected animals comes into direct contact with the mucous membranes, such as eyes, mouth, or nose. This is the period between infection with the rabies virus and the appearance of symptoms, as the virus takes time to travel to the brain and cause symptoms. And the incubation period varies depending on the infected area. It is not easy to know if an animal has rabies just by looking at it. And then the only way to know if an animal or person has rabies is perform rabies test. Animals infected with rabies may behave strangely. Some may be aggressive and attempt to bite, or they may drawl more than usual. Kailangan mong obserbaran ang mga aso kung strange ang mga kinikilos ng aso na kumagat sa'yo. The best thing to do is such cases is never feed or approach the wild animals. The first symptoms of rabies is similar to influenza, such as weakness, discomfort, fever, saka sakit sa ulo, and also feeling of tingling or itching at the site of bite. These symptoms persist for several days, and with the transmission of the virus to the central nervous system, a gradual and fatal inflammation of the brain and spinal cord occurs. Furious rabies causes hyperactivity, emotional behavior, hallucination, hydrophobia, fear of water, and aerophobia, fear of air currents. Paralytic rabies is in which the muscles become gradually paralyzed starting from the site of the wound. Then the case progresses to coma and then death. When to see a doctor? If you have been in direct physical contact with any wild or unfamiliar animals, especially when bitten or scratched. After exposure to an animal infected with rabies, there must be an emergency response to prevent the virus from infecting the central nervous system, leading the case to death. Hugasan agad yung kagat sa soap and water. Then, go to the nearest hospital or health facility as soon as possible to treat the wound and take a series of rabies vaccine. Ano ang protection? Avoid all wild animals and do not approach them, including injured animals, lalo na pag mga aggressive animal. Avoid touching infected animals. Wash the skin surface when exposed to touching of feeding an animals. Wash wounds and get immediately vaccination when an animal bites or scratch your skin. Prevention of rabies. Ensure that the patient receive regular vaccines against rabies. Keep pets away from wild animals. Hanggang dito na lang tayo guys sa topic natin. Sana naintindihan nyo kung ano ang gagawin nyo pag makagat kayo ng mga wild animals na may mga rabies. Always remember, kung may scratch or makagat ka ng mga wild animals, see a doctor as soon as possible. Prevention is better than cure. Kung bago pa kayo dito guys sa channel ko, huwag niyong kalimutan na mag-subscribe at pindutin ang notification bell para updated kayo palagi kung mayroon akong bagong upload na video. Hindi ako magsasawang magpasalamat sa lahat ng subscribers, non-subscribers at lalong-lalo na sa silent viewers. Maraming salamat po sa pag-suporta nyo dito sa channel ko. Pagpalain po kayo guys and God bless you. Bye! Thank you for watching!